angels go out. What smells in here?
I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. Whew! It's your AC condenser and duct work. That's right. You've got all kinds of twists and turns and bends after the cabin air filter, and it is dark and damp inside there, and it's going to hold some moisture, and that darkness, it'll create some bacteria. So not only do you get that stinky, just musty smell, you can also get sick from it. So I'm going to show you today how to clean that out, freshen it up, and make your road trips a little more pleasant and enjoyable. Now, I've heard a lot of people across the internet say to take Clorox and pour down in your vents right here. That's a big no-no. That does not work, and it does not get it past the cabin air filter anyhow. It just runs out the drain. So that's not gonna help. It's gonna waste stuff. It's not what we wanna do. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna show you exactly how to clean this out and make it smell better. So what we wanna do first is go in the passenger side and pull down the glove box, and we're gonna access the cabin air filter. You're gonna let the glove box down like this. You'll notice right here, you've got this little plastic holder like that. You just wanna release that. Then you wanna push in on both sides near the top. And it's gonna release this all the way down. You lift up, you can actually just remove the whole glove box. It's just on hangers right here. So once you drop the glove box down, you're gonna notice this panel, it's got two tabs. You can just release it with one hand. Just pop that off, come over here, reach, and just pull outward with this little tab. So next we wanna just pull that air filter out, and we wanna spray the Freshen with the car running inside the opening, but down toward the fans in the bottom on this one. So your fan may be over here or wherever. You want to spray towards the fan. So I'll come over to the driver's side, and we're going to start the vehicle. And instead of in-cabin circulation, you want to have it where it's pulling from the outside. That makes sure that it gets all the ventilation. Okay, and then we're going to work it. This button here I'll push it several times, and we'll go through our different settings. It'll change the ventilation while we spray it into the air filter opening. Actually had a couple people tell me, just spray it in there. That does absolutely no good. You're just blowing it back in your face. You might as well just take this and spray it around inside the cabin. It's not going to do the ventilation system any good. Guys, I even have the carbon infused air filter right here that's supposed to help from really bad smells, but that doesn't cut it. Without this stuff, you're left in the dark with some foul smells. Freshen. I mean, this stuff right here is absolutely awesome, guys. So with that being said, let me read you what this says on here. It says, formulated to quickly and effectively remove foul, musty odors from automobile air conditioning system. It will freshen foul-smelling systems by killing odor-producing organisms. Keeps the automobile air conditioning system and interior smelling fresh and clean. All right, so that's it, guys. It's so simple. Fresh. You guys really need to check my channel out. If you like this video, check it out right here. I got hundreds of videos, how-tos, awesome. Not only with the Lexus, with the Mercedes, with the Ranger, with the Raptor, and with the new Mustang. Y'all be sure and check it out. Catch y'all on the next one. Later now.